Alright, breakfast sandwich. Bagel, cheese, egg, smoky legs. Start off, cook your smoky legs. I like in the pan because it gives a little bit of browning, but microwave or even boiling works because you're going to split them right down the middle, hot dog style. There you go. Oh, one more time in case you missed it. Ooh. Now you're building a foundation on top of your plain bagel. You don't want weird flavors, so use a plain bagel. And you're going to layer a slice of cheese on top of the smoky legs. That's Colby Jack. Cheddar would also work amazing here. There you go. Now into the oven they go. You're looking for lightly toasting and melting the cheese. No more, no less. Now start working on your eggs. Put some butter in a hot pan. Put your eggs in. Season with a little bit of pepper and a little bit of salt, of course. Have the eggs set. Then you're going to baste them. So put a little bit of water on a lid and then flip it into the pan and cover. And you're going to steam your eggs until they reach your desired hardness. And you know, desired hardness really is a personal thing. So you do you. Meanwhile, your, oh, look at all the steam. Your bagel and cheese and all that is ready to come out of the oven. There you go, set that aside. You're ready to pull your eggs out and for final assembly. Now when you top it with the bagel, just give it a little tappy, tap tap, hold it together. Don't break that yolk now. Stay classy. Ciao.